Thai cuisine has gained immense popularity in Australia, celebrated for its vibrant flavors, aromatic spices, and fresh ingredients. With its perfect blend of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy elements, Thai food offers a unique dining experience that satisfies a variety of palates. In this category, diners can explore an array of dishes ranging from fragrant curries to delicious stir-fries and delectable noodle dishes. DoDee Paidang Swanston stands out as a premier Thai restaurant located in Melbourne. Known for its authentic recipes and warm ambience, this establishment provides a true taste of Thailand, ensuring every guest enjoys a culinary journey that transports them to Southeast Asia. The menu at DoDee Paidang Swanston features a comprehensive selection of traditional Thai dishes crafted by skilled chefs who are passionate about their craft. Guests can indulge in classics such as pad thai, green curry, and tom yum soup, each prepared with the freshest local ingredients and traditional Thai herbs and spices. Additionally, DoDee Paidang Swanston offers a variety of vegetarian and vegan options, making it a suitable choice for all dietary preferences. DoDee Paidang Swanston excel in providing exceptional food, but it also offers various dining experiences. Customers can choose to dine in a relaxed and inviting setting, perfect for family gatherings or romantic dinners. For those on the go, takeaway and delivery services are available, ensuring that the delightful flavors of Thai cuisine can be enjoyed anywhere in Melbourne. Furthermore, DoDee Paidang Swanston frequently hosts special events and promotions, allowing guests to experience the rich cultural heritage of Thailand through food festivals and theme nights. With its commitment to quality food and exceptional service, DoDee Paidang Swanston has become a beloved dining spot in Melbourne. For anyone searching for an unforgettable Thai dining experience, DoDee Paidang Swanston promises to deliver an array of exquisite dishes that are sure to tantalize taste buds and leave a lasting impression. Discover the magic of Thai cuisine at DoDee Paidang Swanston in Melbourne today. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 Vlogs.